Hello my addictions, welcome back to our channel Life Addictions. Today I'm going to review Nykaa Wrinkle Repair Advanced Retinol Serum. It has got usage time of 2 years and it comes for Rs 8.99 for 30 ml of product, but it is always available at discounted price. Before starting this review, I would request you all to watch this video till the end if you want to purchase this product. Or else if you just watch the result of this serum and do not watch the entire video, you might repent later on, because I am going to share with you guys some very important points about the serum. The packaging says it is alcohol free, fragrance free, cruelty free and dermatologically tested. The full ingredients list is mentioned on the package and it says it is for all skin types. I checked its full ingredients list on insidedecoder.com. When I checked all the ingredients list on insidedecoder.com, the ingredients list highly impressed me. 2% lactic acid is great for daily mild exfoliation, and retinol is great for people who have wrinkle, fine lines, or even for people who have acne prone skin like me. Now, ingredients on cosmetic products are usually listed in descending order. Like the ingredients which has got the highest percentage comes in the beginning. Probably it is not necessary in India to list the ingredients list in descending order, but that's how we know about the product. When these basic rules of mentioning the ingredients list on cosmetic products is maintained, it helps us to take correct decisions and it helps us to trust the product. There is a long gap between lactic acid and retinol. On their website, they are saying that they have put 2% lactic acid and 2% retinol in it, but in the ingredients list, they come very far away.
Later I found out that 2% encapsulated retinol would likely only contain 0.02 to 0.28% pure retinol. So this might be the reason why it was listed so far away from the lactic acid, which is of 2%.
But this product has worked quite well on my skin. Now I have been using this retinol serum since last 2 weeks. I am not new to retinoids and I have used the strongest form of retinoid, which is tretinoin. But I stopped using tretinoin because I think it is a bit too much for my skin right now, especially when I'm using other skincare actives. So I thought of trying out a totally fragrance-free and essential oil-free retinol.
The serum comes sealed in a glass bottle. The dropper quality is quite good. It has got extremely light lotion-like consistency. It gets absorbed into the skin very quickly and leaves no oiliness behind. It is extremely lightweight even on my oily skin. People who have dry or sensitive skin should always layer it with a thick moisturizer. The serum has encapsulated form of retinol, which ensures better absorption.
For the first week when I started using this serum, I was getting few breakouts on my skin. That is probably because I was using it with other skincare products. But on the second week, I stopped using other skincare products and I was just using this serum and my skin got so much better.
It is too soon to talk about effectiveness of a retinol serum, but maybe because of its formulation, I did notice firmer skin.
Now, if you have sensitive skin or you are new to retinol, do not start using it every day. Use it about 1 or twice a week and then slowly build it up. Retinol is not necessary for people who are less than 25 years old. Now, I have read few scientific researches which says that it is great to use AHA, BHA and retinol together, and we can even combine retinol with vitamin C. But if you have sensitive skin or you are not sure, even if you are new to retinol, please avoid using them together. You can, however, layer niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and retinol. But please avoid using retinoid with any other acne medication, or even if you are using retinol with AHA, BHA or vitamin C, please be cautious. You should preferably apply retinols at night after you properly clean your skin. Make sure your skin is completely dry and it is not at all wet before you apply your retinol serum. After that, let it get absorbed for a minute, wait for a minute and then apply your moisturizer. Avoid using it around your eyes or on sensitive areas of your face. You just need 2 to 3 drops of a serum. After 1 minute, you can apply your moisturizer. This was a non-sponsored video. Hope you like this honest review. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Stay happy and keep glowing always. Bye-bye.